Hi guys, I'm Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and I'm very excited to do a quick overview of the Linkswell Gen 6 series for Toyota Tacomas 2016 to 2023. So the best part about this radio is the lightning fast boot up time. It takes less than 2 seconds to fully boot up. This unit has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in, so you can connect to your phone and use your favorite apps like navigation, Spotify, Pandora, and all that. It also has the Google Play Store built in, so you can actually connect to it. You can connect your Wi-Fi, or you can use a SIM card, and it'll have internet. It'll enable internet, and you can download your favorite apps to the radio, like YouTube, Netflix, and you can view videos if you like. It also has all the AC controls are built into the screen. So it has this climate button here. It has the fan speed, temperature control. If you have the dual AC or the single AC, all of that will work. If you have the heated seats or cooled seats or anything like that, that will still function as well. This integrates perfectly to the factory features. The factory volume control on the steering wheel works. The backup camera works as well. Everything works perfectly. It has quick buttons here, so you can actually access the AC quickly, and then it'll control it there as well, so you don't have to actually go through the touchscreen to manage all that. So if you guys want to purchase this radio, you can click the link below and use the code YT for a special discount. And also, if you're in the area, Los Angeles County, you can stop by Santa Clarita Auto Sound.